taking Pepto this time.
Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. Luke, what's up, Luke? No, I'm not sitting down. Luke! What? Hey!
What the fuck, man? What do you want with that fucking camera?
If you drink this really fast, you'll be falling over.
Dude, man, if you drink that and that, man, you got... Derek, you get down in time?
Luke! Hey, Luke!
Sandy.
What? No.
Okay.
No, Amy does.
Chris, I can hook you up with
No,
some-
don't get me.
Chris!
No!
I don't need them, it's for Kevin.
Don't get me.
I'll see my brother.
Take a loader up.
Huh?
Take a loader up.
Dude, man, I can't even fuck.
You gotta come to more parties.
Yeah, you gotta meet him. But you
You
can't
gotta get to know him just to realize, just ignore it. Of course, in there he starts yelling.
I gotta stand, man. I gotta stand. What are you putting that shit in my face for, man? Why? I'm drunk. I know it. Leave me alone.
It's like K-U-R-P-P-A.
We don't have that little.
It's fun talking to people from different countries. There.
Hi.
Or you guys don't say A over there, do you?
I don't Nice
Welcome to
meet you
Canada,
guys.
eh?
You're awesome.
You want to talk?
What's happening, Derek?
you.
Derek, let me take for a second. Please, let me.
What would you like? Hold on, back. Would you like to say anything? What would you like to say?
I'd like to say that I want to tape.
You want to tape?
I want to tape. I want to tape, Derek. I want to tape.
Would you like to say anything for the new year in '97?
I'm drunk and I want to tape. I want to tape, Derek. Let me tape. Derek, get that light on my face. Chair. Let me!
Oh my god, this video camera. It's Jake.
Don't drop it.
No.
Hold on, Perry.
Oh, go away. Oh, you okay? I'll move, Jay.
Amy.
Go away. Amy!
That's the rule.
Amy.
Fuck you! Come on.
What are you saying about what happened?
Amy, turn around. Amy.
Cameras. It's not gonna be a straight video.
Hi, Sandy.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
That's cool. Me?
We don't want to be taped.
It's on pause.
Yeah, I know it's on pause.
You're not gonna film anything.
I know.
Banging up against the wall.
Amy.
Don't touch my fucking ass.
Oh, I touched your what?
Feels like long.
That wasn't ignorant what I said.
What? Ow! No, don't tape. Don't tape up here.
Oh, I just taped him. Amy.
Please don't bang it.
Yeah, man, I know. Hello, girlfriend and Johnson.
Da 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 da. Oh. Fuck you. Pim Daddy.
What's up, man?